Welcome. We will work on our game in this lecture. For now, we have only 2D physics elements, and we want to have some keyboard interaction with this kinematic body, and then we will have some game element for some kind of 2D game. So let's work. We have kinematic body with default name kinematic body 2D. So we need to go to our coding, and I will introduce you with one of default functions. This is process function. Great. But first I will just write one onReady variable. This variable can be used anywhere in any function under the class, so under the Node2D class. And I will declare vector2 variable. Vector2 variable have two parameters. One is x-axis and other is epsilon axis. So now we will go to our function declaration, and we will use this process delta function. This function repeat in some kind of delta time. So function repeat. I tell you, very simple. Repeat in some kind of delta time. And we will first try to get position with this variable position of our kinematic body. So position will be equal our kinematic body. Our kinematic body is kinematic body 2D. But we need exact name of this body, so we will first use $, and then we will pick kinematic body 2D. And this will refer to this, so this will be right reference, and we'll put dot and write method get position. With this we will have position of kinematic body in 2D space. After that I will just use one conditional branching, so if, and I will use input class. Input class work with all input, and I will try to use is action pressed input. This input work with keyboard, also can work with mouse, and I will find some predefined options. For example, this option is when you click on keyboard key arrow right. So if you have input with a click of keyboard key arrow right, you can do something. In this situation I will change position of kinematic body. So first I need to reference with kinematic body, so use exact node, and then I will just use set position, and I need to set some vector 2 here, so I will write vector 2. This vector 2 will have some position, and we will write it later. Also we need to do this for a left, so for a right and for a left. This can be also done with the mouse. we can use some thing with the mouse, and this will be a little bit tricky, and we can maybe explain it later. And for now I think this is something like this. So left, right. Now I only need to set this right. So this will be position dot x and position dot epsilon. Here also position dot x and position dot epsilon. So whenever I click on right or left, nothing will happen. Kinematic body will stay on the same position because this position x is the right position, so default position. But we can do some change. When you click on right, we can increase this by 1, and when you move left, we can decrease by 1. So let's test this and see what are we done. I'm pressing the good. I'm pressing the right and left arrow key, and I have movement of kinematic body. Now I will use integrator, and now we have movement and we have bouncing. But if we move and bounce, move and bounce, move and bounce, move and bounce, our goal is to have movement in a side. So what will we do? We will just increase this variable, for example, to 6, and test it now. See what I want to show you? Oh yeah, we are free! We are free at last! So, with this movement, we can move it. So let's put some real value here. Okay, still we have movement. Oh, good. Other side. To other side, please. Oh, good. Good, 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 good. Very good, very good. And yeah. So in other side we also need this collision shape to put it. Okay, thank you for watching. We will continue in the next tutorial. Become interesting. It is interesting, but now become more interesting. Have a good day and goodbye.